Hey, what's up guys? 88 Rotors Off-Road at it again with another taco compilation. We appreciate your continued support and we hope that our videos are helping you in one way or another. Our shop 88 Rotors is located in sunny Southern California. We're about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. Let's dive into this video now. This right here is a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series coilover and shock setup. This comes with the DSC dual speed compression adjusters. We paired it up with an Elevate billet uniball upper control arm set in a fox orange color. For the rear end, we installed a Deaver add-a-leaf system to bring it up about 1.5 inches. The wheels and tires on this one, we went with the Method MR312s in a 17 by 8.5 size with the zero offset in this matte black finish. For the rubber on this one, we went with a set of BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires in a 285/70/17. And with this lift setup installed with this spec wheel and tire, it clears perfectly, even at full articulation off-roading. If you are not local to us and can't have us install a setup for your Tacoma, we'll help you in another way. We'll take all of the guesswork out on what parts you need to order to get the perfect lift. We have prepackaged and pre-assembled lift kits with all components needed on our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com. You can also click on the links in the description to get to the specific product that you see here in our videos. Have you seen our 2024 Tacoma TRD Off-Road? Check it out on our channel.
Next up, we have this red second generation Tacoma that's in for a Bilstein 6112 setup with 5160 rear shocks, SPC upper control arms, and our add-a-leaf system. We also installed some Dura bumps all around. The job is complete, so we're gonna take it out for a quick test drive. We hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Next up, we have a Lunar Rock Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4 that's in for a Bilstein 5100 setup. We're pairing that up with some Old Man Emu front lift springs and SPC ball joint upper control arms. For the rear end, we're doing a Deaver add-a-leaf system and 5100 shocks. This is what we call our best bang for the buck setup. It won't break your bank while it's a complete suspension lift. It'll give you the stance you need for larger wheels and tires like we're doing here. We're installing a set of TRD Pro wheels in 17x7 with a positive 4 offset. We wrapped it up in a BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tire in 285/70/17. Like we've mentioned before, we're here to help you take out the guesswork on what parts to order. We have these prepackaged kits on our website. Check the link in the description to see. We have a pre-assembled option as well. That way you can install them the same day you get them in the mail without needing a heavy-duty compressor. If you're local to Baldwin Park, California, make sure to give us a call and we can get you set up with an appointment to get this kit installed as well. We guarantee the best prices on products that are always in stock. We are not a drop shipping business that orders as we need them. All parts we sell are in stock and ready to rock. Next up, we have this Tacoma SR5 4x4. It came in with a TRD Off-Road bedside sticker, which threw us off just a tad bit. We realized it's not a TRD Off-Road as it does have the color match over fenders. TRD Off-Road has black over fenders. Also, for the third generation, a bedside sticker from factory that doesn't state 4x4 and only TRD Off-Road is usually a pre-runner. So yes, some general information there that some people may not know. Anyway, this one's in for the Bilstein 5100 package also. We paired up with the OME lift spring in front to get 2 3/4 inches of lift. The rear gets about 1.5 inches of lift with the Deaver add-a-leaf system. Of course, the front comes with the SPC upper control arms to maximize articulation, correct the alignment angles, and improve overall performance on and off-road. Here we have another third generation Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4. This one came in for the same lift package, Bilstein, OME, Deaver, and SPC upper control arms. For the wheels and rubber on this one, we went with the brand new Falcon Wild Peak RT01, which is a hybrid tire. It's 285/70/17 that we wrapped on a set of RRW RR7H flowform wheels in a 17 by 8.5 size with the zero offset. We also installed some Baja design ditch lights on here. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. What do you guys think of the new and improved RR7H wheels shown here? We are a master stocking dealer for them. We have thousands in stock. Yes, thousands. These are the new flowform design that replaced the previous cast version that was a tad bit heavier. Flowform wheels use a special machining process that allows the wheel to be lighter in weight and stronger in form. Grab a set of these at 88rotorsoffroad.com. Use discount code YouTube to get $100 off of a set of 4 or $125 off of a set of 5. All orders ship same or next business day here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Next up, we have this Tacoma that's coming in for a King setup. We're doing the King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks that the customer just had rebuilt, along with some Camburg tubular uniball upper control arms. For the rear end, we're installing a Deaver set of leaf springs for him as well. If you're looking for a top-tier suspension setup for your Tacoma, we highly recommend King shocks. They have been a leading manufacturer of top-tier off-road shocks for decades. They also ride great on-road and is the reason why I put them on every truck that I've ever owned. This one's done, so we'll bring it out for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to the customer. Here's another white SR5 Tacoma that's in for a Bilstein OME, Deaver, and SPC upper control arm lift setup. This came in with a previously installed set of wheels and tires, so we're not touching them at all. And fast forward, the lift setup has been installed. As always, we load up the factory components into the truck bed for the customer and torque all 4 wheels and tires down to spec. Bringing it out for a test drive next. Next up, we have another cement gray Tacoma with the same lift setup. This one is different only with the wheels and tires. We're installing the Method MR305 double blacks in a 17 by 8.5 size on this one with a 0 offset. And for the tires, we're doing the very popular BFG KO2 tires in the 285/70/17. The KO2s are a very popular tire, being so because they last for a decent amount of time and they are great on and off road. Let's take this one out for a quick test drive now. And if you want to step up from the 5100 setup, we also have the 6112 setup that you see here. 6112s with SPC upper control arms in the front, 5160 rear shocks with the Deaver add-a-leaf in the back. We're installing a set of RRW RR7H flow forms on here in 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset in matte black. Tire of choice on this one are the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss ATs in a 285/70/17 size. Let's roll them out for that test drive. If you guys are new to the channel, or if you guys have been here but have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Just click on that red subscribe button now and it will not interfere with the video. Doing so really helps us, helps the channel and the video itself, and it definitely makes us want to do more videos like this for you. And here's our 2024 Tacoma TRD Off-Road. As you can see, we're already on a King setup here. King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks all around with compression adjusters, Camburg Kinetik billet upper control arms, and all 4 links in the back. Make sure to check out the channel to see updates on our build. We're not done just yet. We have some more time, so let's throw in another Tacoma. This one right here is going with a set of double black Method MR305s with KO2s in a 285/70/17. We're doing the King 2.5 remote reservoir coilover and shocks setup with compression adjusters on this one with some Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms. We're also doing the Dakar EL111R medium load leaf springs in the back with the King shocks. We are an authorized stocking dealer and installer for King shocks with hundreds of kits in stock. We also have these pre-packaged with all components needed on our website as well. So swing on over to 88rotorsoffroad.com to see what we have in store. Literally. Thank you very much for tuning in today, guys. We greatly appreciate your continued support and loyalty towards 88 Rotors. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell also. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care, guys.